So I can't quite believe it, man. It's been 3 years, but so it's been 3 years, and honest to God, that is only the second Honda we've seen, man. So that is testament to the Honda brand. Okie doke, it really is. But it's got its engine management light on. It's got its engine management light on. Pause here. Right, so scanning away. So like I said, the second Honda, the other one we've got is out there. Waiting a compression tester coming for that one. That one, cylinder number 4, misfire. Doesn't matter if you move the plugs. So could be the coil, could be the it could be the harness for the coil. I don't think it is, mind you. Could be the cylinder itself, or compression loss, a valve causing it, or whatever. Piston ring. Could be the ECU. The crankshaft sensor. I highly doubt it, to be honest with you, just one cylinder being a crankshaft sensor, but that is the list of options. But see what's going on with this CRV. Right, so we have air fuel ratio, malfunction, slow response, permanent. I'm assuming same thing. Air fuel sensor circuit, range performance, EGR, insufficient flow. And again, it's the air fuel performance. So I'll pause here and I'll save this data. Right, these tyres look good. The brakes look like they've just been done. It's got Brembos in it, expensive pads. Good pads, but Brembos. The coil springs intact. There's a bit of corrosion in the suspension arms there. Fuel tank guard's a bit corroded. Again, the pads are good, tyres are good. Missing the hubcap there. I know it is leaking oil because I've seen the puddle underneath it. Front tyres, that's a good year. Probably could be doing me getting changed. Front brake pad thickness is okay. Coil spring seems to be intact. Fan's going away there. That's a good year as well. I'd probably like to just put another 2 Michelins on, same as the rear, match them up. Pads are good there, so we'll pause and see what this leak is. Right, so it's all looking in that oil filter area. I wasn't expecting that. I'll get a wee clean here and see if we can see it's been leaking for a while, man. So I'm not sure what's happened. I'll let me clean it out and see what's going on. Leaking quite fast, but because there's a big puddle, I'll show you. There you can see it's been leaking last night. Right, I think I found the issue. Right, I've not done this, but that's not tight, man. So that would have been catastrophic, man. That would have been absolutely catastrophic. I think I'll just elect to put a new filter on it. I'll get a price for service, I think. Okay, so we got the CRV running. No lights on at the moment. New sensor is in, but look, I'll show you. It was not easy. It is chipped up, you can see, but it's went in, it's tight, so didn't see any leaks there. So I just decided I was going to just keep turning it back and forth, spray some loose juice in it, and I managed to get it out. So I need to swap that wee bit over. I need to figure out how that comes off of there, just so as we can get it back the way it was. I like to put things back properly. This is all my crap here, don't worry about that. My dad's been reorganising his toolbox, so Jesus, man, Jesus, what can you do? What can you do? So we go on diagnostic data, autel, use it. Trouble codes, hopefully none there by the looks of it. Read, good, nothing. She's been running for a little while. I'm going to pause here, I'm going to find some data. Right, so I'm in the DPF there, showing the efficiency of the DPF, so we'll show only the selected. So the EGRs, I just heard the engine change there, so a minute ago there was no data on these, it was all zeros, so that's good, it seems to be working there at least. Differential pressure, we'll do a wee record here, right? I'm going to rev it. It's at 1 just now, so DPF differential pressure is showing 1, right? So I'm quite happy with that. That looks normal to me, right? So I will, if we've seen it away up at 9, 10, 11, 12, we'd say, well, that is a bit choked there, but it's just idling, so there shouldn't be much pressure in it, so, and it's showing that there's not, so that's a good sign. Right, so we shall give it a portion. We've got Mr. Clutch, sometimes he's Mr. Brake, today he's Mr. Throttle Pedal. That's all we're giving it, just one portion. And then we'll resume review. Yep, review that data. So pressure, low pressure EGR, EGR. There's my hanging DPF pressure. So it's went up to 11.4 when we've revved it. And you can see. So I'm quite happy with that, to be honest with you. It seems to be behaving normally at the minute, and no reports of, no reports of lack of power. What the fault is it goes into limp mode, switches it on and off, comes back again. So now that O2 sensor's changed, hopefully this issue won't come back. Now the intercooler is soaked in oil on it, so I'm not sure what to do with that at the minute, but if it's driving okay, I think leave it alone at the minute. No plumes or smoke out the back of it. Although saying that, don't know how. Don't know how there's no smoke out the back of that, because that's definitely oil in there. Could just be black soot and mixture of water, but definitely black. So we'll see how this car goes, I think.